Hello, this is Mind PHP. Today I'm going to show you on how to use fade toggle on jQuery. So, fade toggle means fade in, fade out. When we click this button, it will fade out, and when we click it again, it will fade in. So it's a vice versa fade in, fade out, which is called fade toggle. So this is my sample code. This is my jQuery library. I use this library, so you can copy this one. And this is the elements, which is paragraph. This one is the paragraph, and the button. Click to fade in, fade out boxes, and this is the boxes which I use div. So first, to create this function as fade in, fade out, we will create a new script tag before the head ends. So we will code this one. And we will get the button. And we will get the first div. So the ID is div1. Fade toggle. So let's try this one. I think there's missing here. Oh, on the ID we must use sharp. So it now fades out, and when we click this again, it fades in. So let's try to make it as low on div2. So the ID is div2, and here we will put slow. Refresh, and so the second box fades out last, and when it shows, it fades in last. So on div3 we will use millisecond. So you will notice that the third box is the last because we use milliseconds. So fade out, fade in. That's fade toggle. That's all.